Okay, geometry, and welcome to Tuesday. That's right, today is Tuesday the 21st. This is video E, part 2. Hey, stick with this. Hopefully you were able to download the latest packet. It looks like there might have been a couple pictures that were just a little blurry on those packets. And so if there is, I'll clear them up on my videos, okay? So don't you worry about that. Some reason my PDF scanner, I don't know, it was just a little blurry. Okay, or maybe it's just my eyeballs. I don't know. Okay, here we go. This is how you do the back of the worksheet. Not the answers, just how to do the back of the worksheet. So this is problems 11 through 22. Are you ready? Hey, I can tell I've already forgot a letter. Okay, if it's on the outside, you subtract and divide by 2. Like that. Okay? If this one's on the outside, you still subtract and divide by 2, but you're like, hey, Blanchard, I don't have a number to subtract. Well, all you have to do is figure out the other part of the circle first. And everybody knows that there's 360 degrees in a circle. So this would have to be 246. 246. And if you add those two up, that's 360. Well, now it's on the outside, so you subtract. 246 minus 114 divided by dose equals x. Okay? So I want you to figure those out. Piece of cake. Now for the ones that are a little more of a challenge. Okay, again, I'm not going to solve these problems, but I'm just going to help you out a little. This is exactly number 13. It's on the outside, so you subtract and divide by 2. Big minus small divided by 2 equals the answer. It's just that this time the answer is a number, all right? It's not just x. Then my next step would be to multiply this side by 2. X minus 48 equals 92. And then to get the answer, which I'm not going to do, you would add 48. Next. Oh, by the way, BTW. Number 13 and number 14 are very similar. All right, number 15 and 16. And you're like, they're almost the same problem. Why did you do both examples? Here's why. If this is x, this is 360 minus x. And then if I do big minus small divided by 2, I'm going to have to put the 55 over here this time. That's okay. I can still double 55. I can get rid of that 2. So I'd be 110 equals x minus 360 plus x. And then it would be 110 equals 2x minus 360. And then you can solve it from there, okay? But then you're like, well, how is this one any different? This time the little archarch is x. So that means the big archarch is 360 minus x. And you're like, it's the same work. No, it isn't. Let's see, what color do I want to use here? Because I don't want you guys to get confused. I'll use red. Okay, so this time it would be big minus small divided by 2 equals the answer. So I can multiply, double, that. So it'd be 360, and then minus x is minus 2x. And that's going to equal 128. I just multiplied the 2 by the 64 and got 128. And then you would subtract 360 and divide by negative 2. You're going to have to do that on your own. Okay, number 18, finally. There's one that is on the inside. If it's on the inside, you add and divide by 2. So it's adding the 2 arcs, dividing by 2, and that equals the answer. So then I'm going to multiply by 2. So it'd be x plus 190 equals 250. And then you solve it by subtraction. Ah, that was it? Okay. So, I hope you guys did fine on these packets here. Mr. Barrow, I think, has already sent out the form for you guys to fill out. Put in all the answers. You guys have been doing really, really good as far as grades go. Check your Skyward, and now I'll go ahead and switch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you think you're missing any of the lessons, here is a link to our playlist. And I say to you, good day.